Hybridization. Hybridization is the concept of intermixing of the orbitals of an atom having nearly the same energy to give exactly equivalent orbitals with same energy, identical shapes, and symmetrical orientations in space.
The new equivalent orbitals formed are known as hybrid orbitals or hybridized orbitals.
For example, one s orbital and 2p orbitals are mixed to form 3sp2 hybridized orbitals, which are directed towards the corners of the triangles. Hybrid orbitals have properties entirely different from the properties of the original orbitals from which they have been obtained. Salient features regarding hybridization. Orbitals involved in hybridization should have nearly the same energy. The orbitals of one and the same atom participate in hybridization. The number of hybrid orbitals formed is equal to the number of hybridizing orbitals. The hybrid orbitals are equivalent to shape and energy. A hybrid orbital which is taking part in bond formation must contain one electron in it. Due to the electronic repulsions between the hybrid orbitals, they tend to remain at the maximum distance apart. The head-on overlap of atomic orbitals give sigma bonds. The sidewise or lateral overlap of atomic orbitals give pi bonds. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe this channel for more videos.